Hello students, your daily UPSC booster is here. Quick clips and exam focused content for main study 26 from today's newspaper. Let's begin. Before we proceed further, the most important keywords, facts and case studies from this newspaper you will get at the end of this video in a single one-page form. Moving ahead. Idea is to ensure people eat with dignity. 45 Atal canteens open. You can use this example in GS1, even in GS2, even in GS3. The question comes on poverty, on multidimensional poverty index, or any poverty related scheme, which is the important theme for UPSC that is asked questions multiple times in PYQ. So you can quote this example: 45 Atal canteens has been opened around Delhi, and 55 more will be operational within next 15 to 20 days on behalf of former Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birth anniversary. Moving forward, repeated violation of pollution norms. NGT pulls up Noida Authority 6 reply. You can use this example in GS2. If the question comes on constitutional, non-constitutional bodies directly on NGT, you can mention this as challenges that despite of NGT order, it is observed that this imposition of compensation of rupees 27 crore in the past few years, Noida Authority only has sanctioned rupees 1 crore until has been recovered now. Moving forward, higher education bill frees our university. It is for the new bill, the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhinishthan Bill 2025 introduced in Lok Sabha, aligned with the vision of NEP 2020. But it has faced major concern due to excessive centralization. But the bill has many pros also, like it increases transparency by conducting mandating online and offline public self-disclosure of all academic, operational and financial matters. Also, it constitutes a grievance redressal mechanism for students. It also provides greater autonomy for the higher education institutions to make them independent. It also removes the procedural ambiguities by making a single window deliverable clearance. Moving forward, India may get 4 new regional airlines, but challenges that sank may persist. You can use this example in GS3. The question directly comes on civil aviation, and you can start with the facts with intro also. That recent addition of airlines such as Air Hind Air, Fly Express, Air Kerala, and Sunker is highlights India's vision to expand airways. Moving forward, native language AI gains ground in startup hirings. You can use this example in any paper, as AI can be asked in any paper, whether it is 1, 2, 3, or 4. That you should know some basic examples like Cloud Kitchen as operating in native languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and also India AI NTLM's Bhashini app already supports more than 22 India languages. But the most important facts for mains answer is these facts that you can directly use in your irony based intro. Like the country's AI workforce is estimated about 2.35 million professionals. Yet the sector is facing a demand supply gap of roughly 51%. So it can be a great intro to mark your answers better than others. That's the UPSC ready news for today. Stay consistent.